Welcome artists, and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be making some patterned leaves using our elements of art or our ingredients in art such as line, shape, space, color, and texture. We're going to begin by using a few simple materials such as a Sharpie, a pencil, a quick stick, and some fluorescent oil pastels. To begin, you're going to trace over a leaf template, making sure you hold it steady in the middle of your paper. You're then going to pass that template on to your neighbor. Now you're going to draw the center vein of your leaf from one point to the other, and you can think about a curved line. Now you're going to break your leaf up into segments on both sides. Notice how I'm starting at the center vein and I'm going right to the edge of the leaf. Then I flip my paper around and I make a V that goes from the center of the vein to the other side of the leaf, and these are curved lines. From here, I'm going to use a quick stick, which is black tempera paint in a stick form. Roll up your quick stick almost like it was a glue stick, and you're going to outline all of these lines, including the center vein and all of those leaf segments. Once you have finished outlining, roll down your quick stick, put the cap on, and wait for 90 seconds for it to dry. The next step is we are going to be adding patterns in every other section of our leaf. Patterns are a repetition of lines, shapes, and spaces. So be creative. What lines are you going to choose? Curved lines, bumpy lines, zigzag lines. Will you be using some shapes or spirals? Repeat those lines and shapes and patterns in every other section until your leaf is finished. Now we're going to be using fluorescent oil pastels in the alternating sections. Notice how first I'm going to begin by working with a yellow. I'm filling in all of that white area, and now I'm going to be switching to a green oil pastel. I chose this because I know that yellow and green are going to be blending together. Now I'm going to go back to that yellow color. I'm going to overlap a little bit to blend that all in until that section is completely covered. If I need to clean my oil pastel off a little bit, I can just wipe it on the edge of my paper. You might be wondering how you're going to determine which colors will blend together. Analogous colors are any three colors that are right next to each other on the color wheel, and these colors are always going to blend. So you can think of yellow, yellow-orange, and orange. So you're going to use your color wheel as a reference while you are blending in each of these sections. So you can use various colors all in a row, or you can alternate two colors. You can also do some value gradations by going from light to dark. So maybe in one area you'll want to try a light orange and blend it to a dark orange. Maybe in another area you'll want to create some value by going from a light blue to a dark blue. Go ahead and begin blending your colors in all of these blank white areas until your leaf is all filled in. Remember, analogous colors are going to work best. When you're finished, you're going to cut your leaf out and step back and enjoy the beautiful patterns and colors that you have created.